Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge the Anker Z portable battery. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Anker Z portable battery and you want to go ahead and charge it. Now, if you press this side button here, you'll see that the power indicator shows that there's 39% left. The max charge on this is 100%. So all you've got to do is that you just have to grab a Type-C cable and insert it into this portion right here where it says input. So here we have a Type-C cable, and so what you're going to do is that you're just going to insert it to where it says input, and then once it's charging, you can see that the light now turns on, okay? And you can also see like a charging indicator there. If you press on it, you can see that little lightning bolt. That means your Anker Z portable power bank is now charging. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and charge your Anker Z portable power bank. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.